subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
After launching Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro back in December last year, the company is now reported to launch another smartphone under the same lineup as Xiaomi 13 Lite. And recently a new smartphone was spotted on Google Play Console listing, which is believed to be Xiaomi 13 Lite. According to listing, the Xiaomi 13 Lite will support a full HD Plus display with 440 pixel per inch density, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center for selfie camera. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 644 GPU. The smartphone is listed to pack with 8GB of RAM, and it will come preloaded with Android 12. The listing also suggests the phone to feature a triple camera setup on the rear under a rectangular module at the top left corner. And apart from this, there is no other details of Xiaomi 13 Lite smartphone has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Xiaomi 13 Lite smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.